Have you ever wondered what the everyday objects around you look like up close? Prepare to have your perception of the mundane shattered. Today, we're diving into the shocking world, revealed by the microscope, where ordinary items transform into things of nightmares. First up, let's zoom in on a simple toothbrush. What looks harmless to the naked eye is, under magnification, a breeding ground. Bristles become towering structures, and the spaces between them teem with bacteria. You'll see colonies of microorganisms thriving, a visual testament to the importance of brushing properly. The toothbrush, your daily weapon against germs, becomes a miniature ecosystem of its own. Next, we'll examine a common kitchen sponge. This seemingly innocent tool holds a terrifying secret. Under the microscope, the sponge's porous structure becomes a sprawling landscape, riddled with a diverse population of bacteria, fungi, and other unpleasant guests. You'll witness the chaotic dance of microscopic life, a stark reminder that even the most frequently used items in your kitchen can harbor hidden dangers. It's a battleground of unseen organisms, multiplying with every use. Now, let's turn our attention to your phone screen. We touch it constantly, yet rarely think about what it collects. Under the lens, fingerprints become grotesque smudges, and the surface becomes a sticky trap for dust, bacteria, and even traces of skin cells. Imagine a world of tiny organisms feasting on the remnants of your day, a silent infestation right in your pocket. Regular cleaning suddenly seems like a very good idea. Finally, we'll explore a seemingly clean surface, your keyboard. The spaces between the keys are a haven for dust, crumbs, and of course, bacteria. The microscope reveals a landscape of debris and microscopic life, a hidden world of grime that thrives in the nooks and crannies of your workspace. It's a sobering reminder that, even in our digital world, cleanliness is often an illusion. What you see is a testament to the fact that what you can't see can definitely hurt you. So, the next time you reach for your toothbrush, sponge, phone, or keyboard, remember what lies beneath the surface. The microscope reveals a world of hidden horrors, reminding us that the seemingly harmless objects around us may harbor unseen threats. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and keep cleaning.